Hey guys, I know it was raining really hard yesterday, so on Friday. But except I got my umbrella, even though it's barely raining, if you can see. But I know there's lightning somewhere, and it was just right there. Okay, it's time to open my umbrella. Wait, this is so hard. Wait, I will be back. Okay, finally opened it. For some reason, I didn't even know what was happening. There. Whoa, it just fell on me. That literally hurted so bad. Especially my hand. Oh. And then I just saw lightning right there. Okay, the lighting actually is not that good. So, yeah. And here's a scooter that when it was not raining, I literally went on it. Then I just got it and I carried it. Then there was so much water in it, but it almost put it it was right there. Okay, let's come on here. Let's just right here. Then it took this much space. The part that is dry, that's how much space it just took up. Then I don't understand why, because it was raining really hard yesterday, but it still doesn't make sense. What? Okay, so second of all, I might be wondering. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, it's a rainbow. Even though I literally wanted a clear one. Wait, I'm moving. Whoa. Even though that's not even the wind, that's me. Okay, so I'm just gonna be sitting on this chair right here. And that's all. Okay, anyways, bye guys.